Welcome to Mokarrar Industrial Group. We are proud to introduce our epoxy flooring systems, engineered for strength and designed for life. From residential and studio projects to heavy-duty industrial facilities, laboratories, and pharmaceutical plants, our flooring solutions are built to perform, last, and protect. At Mokarrar, we believe every project is unique. That's why we don't just supply products, we deliver tailored solutions designed around your needs, whether it's impact and wear resistance, chemical protection, aesthetics, or fast installation. Heavy-duty industrial flooring. Our heavy-duty industrial epoxy flooring systems are the ideal choice for demanding environments. With reinforced layers, these systems deliver high-impact strength, abrasion resistance, and superior protection against heavy traffic, oils, and chemicals. Factories, warehouses, and processing plants rely on these floors for their seamless, non-porous finish that is not only durable, but also easy to clean and maintain, ensuring a long service life with minimal downtime. Chemical-resistant flooring. For areas where exposure to aggressive chemicals is unavoidable, we provide chemical-resistant epoxy systems based on novel resins. These systems are specially designed to withstand acids, alkalis, solvents, and harsh industrial environments. With high cross-link density and outstanding durability, they are the perfect choice for laboratories, chemical processing plants, and pharmaceutical facilities, ensuring safety, stability, and long-term protection. Residential and studio flooring. Epoxy flooring is not limited to industry. Our residential and studio flooring systems offer both practicality and style. They provide a seamless, dust-free, and stain-resistant surface that is easy to clean and maintain. With aesthetic flexibility in colors, textures, and finishes, these systems are ideal for homes, studios, garages, and light-use spaces, combining durability with modern design appeal. Anti-static and ESD flooring. In sensitive environments, safety and precision matter. Our ESD epoxy flooring systems, also known as anti-static flooring, are engineered to safely control electrostatic discharge. By integrating conductive layers, these floors transfer static charges to a grounding point while maintaining high mechanical and chemical resistance. They are widely used in electronics manufacturing, cleanrooms, laboratories, and pharmaceutical facilities, where static control and performance are critical. Surface preparation and installation. A durable flooring system begins with proper preparation. That's why we follow international standards such as the ICRI Concrete Surface Profile Guideline. From light grinding and shot blasting to scarifying and milling, the correct surface preparation ensures strong adhesion, long-term performance, and maximum resistance. Mokarrar provides expertise at every step, from primers to midcoats and topcoats, ensuring your flooring system is built on a reliable foundation. Key products. Now let's explore some of our leading products. Mokapox FL113 and HA86. A solvent-free system with excellent chemical resistance and mechanical strength, perfect for industrial areas exposed to moderate acids and alkalis. Mokapox FL114 and HA86. A high-performance, solvent-free system with thermal, chemical, and electrical resistance. Its antimicrobial properties make it ideal for pharmaceutical and healthcare environments. Mokapox FL136 plus HA131. Designed for floors under mechanical stress, such as clean rooms and electronics manufacturing, where dust-free conditions are critical. Mokapox FL117 and HA34. Based on advanced Novolac epoxy and cycloaliphatic curing agents, this system provides exceptional chemical resistance, impermeability, and thermal stability, making it perfect for aggressive industrial conditions. Mokapox FL160 and HA134 and Mokapox FL170 and HA137. These are cost-effective mid-layer systems, ensuring strong adhesion and mechanical strength in multi-layer applications. Mokapox FL140 and HA137. A solvent-free midcoat system, delivering stability and excellent bonding for subsequent layers. Mokapox FL108 primer. A versatile two-component primer with deep penetration and excellent adhesion to concrete, stone, wood, and metal. Its flexibility prevents cracking and delamination, ensuring durability of the whole system. Mokapox FL103 series. Specialized anti-static systems, offering superior conductivity, strength, and durability. Essential for environments requiring electrostatic discharge control. Mokapox FL109 and HA19 Primer. An anti-static primer developed for use with our FL103 systems, enhancing both surface preparation and static conductivity. Each of these products is supported by technical data sheets and application guidelines, ensuring confidence and reliability in every project. Mokarrar Industrial Group is a 100% privately owned company based in Iran, with over 30 years of expertise in chemical manufacturing. We are a leading producer of epoxy, polyurethane, alkyd, and acrylic resins, and we proudly serve more than 1,600 major B2B clients. With headquarters in Tehran, production facilities in Ghazvin and Mahshahr, and international offices in Turkey, Dubai, and China, we are strategically positioned to support clients across the Middle East and beyond. Our operations are powered by over 300 dedicated employees, including a strong research and development team committed to continuous innovation. At Mokarrar, we place strong emphasis on quality, customer satisfaction, and regional growth opportunities, especially in Iraq, Turkey, Pakistan, and neighboring markets. Mokarrar epoxy flooring systems are engineered for strength, designed for life. Whether you need heavy-duty industrial protection, advanced chemical resistance, stylish residential flooring, or safe anti-static solutions, we are here to deliver excellence. To learn more or request our full product catalog, please contact us at info@mokarrar.com or visit our website at www.mokarrar.com. Mokarrar, building reliable surfaces for today and for the future.